Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for March 24th, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is Spring. Spring Stinks, a Little Bruce book by Ryan T. Higgins. It's springtime in Soggy Hollow and everyone is happy. Everyone but Bruce. I love the smells of spring, says Ruth. Spring stinks, says Bruce. Ruth has a basket, a very nice basket. Let's smell some smelly springtime smells together, says Ruth. That is my basket, says Bruce. Ooh, the green smell of green-smelling grass, says Ruth. Grrr, grumbles Bruce. Ah, the sweet smell of sweet-smelling daisies, says Ruth. Grrr, rumbles Bruce. The woodsy smell of woodsy-smelling trees, says Ruth. Ouch, mumbles Bruce. Ooh, you're gonna love the next one, says Ruth. Wet moose. Get out of my basket. Bruce does not like the smell of wet moose. I know, says Ruth. Bears love the smell of honey. Bzzz. Uh-oh. This smells like trouble. Bzzz. Bzzz. Thunk. Spring stinks, says Bruce. It sure does, says Ruth. The end. Alright, we're going to make a thumbprint dandelion. What you need is your dandelion template. That's your craft to go kit. You need some paints. I have a variety of colors there. And you'll probably need some paper towels. And we're just going to use, I'm going to use my finger because my thumb is bigger than a kid's. So I'm just going to use a finger to dab it on, maybe even my pinky. You'll need some paper towels so that you can wipe off your hand in between colors. And if you really don't want to get paint on your fingers, you can always use a Q-tip. But I'm going to go for it. So I'm going to start with a little bit of magenta. And I'm just going to dot a few tips here. And I'm going to keep going with different colors. And then whenever I finish, I'll come back and show you my finished product. Okay, I think I got all the little points. That's what my flower looks like, my dandelion. And you can make a wish on it.